Hey there. Have you ever found yourself thinking, why do I always end up with the wrong guys? Maybe you've dated the emotionally unavailable bad boy, the controlling partner, or the one who left you feeling drained. If this sounds familiar, take a deep breath. You're not alone, and it's not your fault. Today, we're diving into why this cycle happens, and most importantly, how to break free and finally attract the love you deserve. Stick around, because video is packed with actionable steps to change your love life for good. Let's get started. Let's start with something you might not expect: your childhood. The way love was modeled for you growing up plays a huge role in who you're attracted to now. Think about it. Did your parents have a healthy, respectful relationship? Or was love chaotic, distant, or even scary? If you grew up in a home where love felt unstable, your brain might mistake drama for passion. For example, if your dad was emotionally unavailable, you might subconsciously seek partners who are distant too, because that's what feels normal. Sound familiar? The good news? You can rewire this pattern. But first, you need to see it. Ask yourself, what did love look like in my childhood, and am I repeating it now? Let's get real. Toxic men often target women with shaky self-esteem. Why? Because if you don't fully believe you deserve respect, you'll tolerate disrespect. Maybe you've stayed with someone who, 1, never commits but keeps you on the hook. 2, criticizes your appearance or dreams. 3, makes you feel like you're the problem. But here's the truth. You teach people how to treat you. If you settle for crumbs, you'll never get the whole cake. And honey, you deserve the whole bakery. Toxic partner. Hot and cold, manipulative, drains your energy. Healthy partner. Consistent, kind, adds to your peace. The shift starts when you believe you're worthy of the second. Raise your hand if you've ever heard. 1, love should be a roller coaster. 2, if he's jealous, he really cares. 3, you can change him. Newsflash, these are lies sold by movies, books, and even TikTok. Real love isn't about grand gestures or fixing broken people. It's about mutual respect, safety, and growing together. Healthy love should feel like calm, not chaotic, secure, not anxious, encouraging, not draining. If your relationships feel like a Netflix thriller, it's time to change the genre. Toxic men are masters of disguise. They often seem charming at first, texting nonstop, buying gifts, saying all the right things. But here are 3 sneaky red flags you might miss. Love bombing. He's overly intense too soon. You're my soulmate. On date 2. Isolation. He subtly distances you from friends/family. Future faking. Talks about marriage/kids early to hook you with zero follow-through. If your gut says this feels off, trust it. Your intuition is your superpower. It's now time for the how. This is your step-by-step guide to breaking free, healing, and finally attracting the kind of love that feels safe, steady, and real. Let's rewrite your love story, starting today. First rule of breaking toxic cycles. You can't attract healthy love if you don't believe you're worthy of it. Let's rebuild that self-worth. Daily affirmations. Start your day by saying, I am enough. I deserve respect. I choose peace. Sounds cheesy? Science says it works. Rewire that brain. Boundaries are your superpower. Toxic men hate boundaries. Healthy men respect them. Practice saying, I'm not comfortable with that, or I need space. No apologies. Become your own soulmate. Take yourself on dates. Dance in your pajamas. Fall in love with your company. When you're happy alone, you'll never settle for less. Remember, you teach people how to treat you. If you don't value yourself, why should they? Forget red flags. Let's talk green flags. These are the signs a man is emotionally mature and ready for healthy love. Memorize these. He listens more than he talks. He asks about your day. your dreams, your fears, and actually remembers what you say. He's consistent. Texts you good morning even after 3 months. Plans dates instead of last-minute hangouts. No mind games. He takes accountability. Says, I messed up. How can I fix this? Instead of blaming you or gaslighting. Toxic love equals anxiety, confusion, exhaustion. Healthy love equals calm, clarity, energy. If he gives you peace, keep him. If he gives you panic, drop him. Ready for the real work? Let's do this. Delete and detox. Block toxic exes. Unfollow social media accounts that romanticize drama. Your peace is non-negotiable. Rewrite your type. Always date bad boys. Give the boring guy a chance. Calm is sexy. Stability is hot. Slow down. Healthy love builds slowly. If he's rushing you, I love you in a week, pump the brakes. Real connection takes time. Ask yourself, does this relationship feel like a sprint or a steady hike? Marathons last. Sprints burn out. Here's your 30-day challenge to break the cycle. Days 1 to 10. Journal 3 things you love about yourself daily. Days 11 to 20. Go on 1 date with someone outside your usual type. Days 21 to 30. Practice saying no to anything that drains your peace. Celebrate small wins. Ate lunch alone without scrolling his Instagram. That's growth. Skipped a booty call. Queen behavior. You're stronger than you think. Breaking cycles isn't easy. You'll have days you miss the drama, days you doubt yourself. But every time you choose you, you get stronger. Healthy love isn't a fairy tale. It's a choice. A choice to walk away from what's familiar but hurting you and step into the unknown where real love is waiting. Drop a love in the comments if you're committing to this journey. Let's grow together. Subscribe plus hit the bell. We've got more videos on healing red flags and building confidence. You've got this gorgeous. The best is yet to come.
Laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.